Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. Can I tell you something embarrassing? Every January 1st, I make a list of goals. I'm so excited. This year will be different, I tell myself. I'm going to exercise every day, learn a new language, read 50 books. And you know what happens? By February, I've forgotten most of them. By March, I feel like a failure. But here's the thing. The problem isn't me. The problem is how I set my goals. Because there's a science to goal setting, a proven method that actually works. Today, we're learning how to set goals the right way. Not just any goals, but goals you'll actually achieve. Because dreams without plans are just wishes. And we're not here to wish, we're here to do. To help me today, my co-host Ben is here. Ben, do you set goals?
Hey everyone! I used to, but I never achieved them, so I stopped.
That's so common, but today we'll change that.
By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear system for setting and achieving goals.
Real results, not just hopes. Let's do this. Here we go. Let's start with the truth. Most people fail at their goals.
Really? How many people?
Studies show that 92% of people who set New Year's goals never achieve them.
92%? That's almost everyone.
Only 8% actually succeed.
Why do so many people fail?
Reason 1, goals are too vague. People say, I want to be healthier, or I want to be successful.
What's wrong with that?
What does healthier mean? How do you measure it? When do you know you've achieved it?
Oh, it's not specific enough.
Exactly. Reason 2, goals are too big and overwhelming.
Like, I'm gonna lose 50 pounds?
Yes, 50 pounds feels impossible, so you give up before you start.
What's reason 3?
No clear plan. People set a goal but don't plan how to achieve it.
It's like saying, I want to go to Paris, but never buying a plane ticket.
Perfect metaphor. Reason 4, no accountability.
Accountability?
Nobody knows about your goal. Nobody checks if you're making progress, so it's easy to quit.
You need someone to keep you on track.
Exactly. Reason 5, all or nothing thinking.
What does that mean?
You miss one day at the gym and think, I failed. I'm quitting everything.
One small mistake ruins the whole goal?
For many people, yes. They think perfection is required.
But nobody's perfect.
Exactly. That's why we need a better system.
Okay, so how do we set goals correctly?
We use the SMART method. This is proven to work.
SMART. Is that an acronym?
Yes, S-M-A-R-T. Each letter stands for something important.
Tell us.
Holding up one finger. S is for specific. Your goal must be clear and detailed.
Give me an example.
Bad goal, I want to exercise more. Good goal, I will go to the gym every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 a.m.
Oh, the second one is so much clearer.
You know exactly what, when, and where.
What's the M?
M is for measurable. You must be able to track your progress.
How do you measure progress?
Bad goal, I want to save money. Good goal, I will save $200 every month.
With numbers, you can see if you're succeeding.
Exactly. What's the A? Achievable.
Achievable means possible?
Yes, your goal must be challenging but realistic.
So, I'll become a millionaire next week is not achievable.
Right, but I'll save $10,000 this year might be achievable.
It depends on your income and situation.
Exactly. Know yourself. What's R? Relevant.
Relevant to what?
Relevant to your life, your values, your bigger dreams.
Give an example.
If your big dream is to be a doctor, then learn Spanish might not be relevant. But study biology is very relevant.
Your goals should connect to what really matters to you.
Yes. And finally, T is for time-bound.
You need a deadline?
Absolutely. Without a deadline, you can procrastinate forever.
Bad goal. I'll write a book someday. Good goal. I'll finish my book by December 31st.
Perfect. The deadline creates urgency.
Okay, let's practice. Let's turn a bad goal into a smart goal.
Great idea. Bad goal. I want to get better at English.
Smart goal. I will study English for 30 minutes every day and complete one online course by June 30th.
Specific, 30 minutes daily, one course. Measurable, can track minutes and course completion.
Achievable, 30 minutes is doable. Relevant, if you want to improve English. Time-bound, by June 30th.
Perfect SMART goal. Now, having a SMART goal is great, but you need one more thing.
What's that?
Action steps, small daily actions that move you toward your goal.
So you break the big goal into tiny pieces?
Exactly. Let's use an example. Big SMART goal. I will run a 5K race in 3 months.
Okay, that's a good goal. Now what?
Now we break it down. Week 1 action. Walk for 20 minutes 3 times this week.
Start small.
Week 2 action. Walk for 25 minutes, add some jogging.
Gradually increase.
Week 3. Jog for 10 minutes, walk for 10 minutes.
You're building up slowly to the 5K.
Yes, big goals need small steps.
What's another example?
Goal: save $2,400 this year. That's $200 per month, which is about $50 per week.
Yeah.
Suddenly it doesn't feel so big. Exactly. Action step: pack lunch instead of eating out. Save $10 per day.
5 days a week, that's $50. You've reached your weekly goal.
Yes, small actions create big results.
What about learning goals?
Goal: read 24 books this year. That's 2 books per month.
Still sounds like a lot.
Action step: read 10 pages every day. Just 10 pages.
10 pages is so easy, but 10 pages a day for a year is a lot of books.
Exactly. The secret is consistency with small actions.
Not big actions once, but small actions always.
Perfect! You've got it.
Okay, we have SMART goals and action steps, but how do we stay motivated?
Great question. Motivation fades. We need systems.
What kind of systems?
Strategy 1, visual tracking. Make your progress visible.
How?
Use a calendar. Every day you complete your action, put a big X on that day.
You can see your streak.
Yes! And you won't want to break the streak. It's motivating.
What else?
Strategy 2, find an accountability partner.
Who's that?
Someone who knows your goal and checks on you. A friend, family member, or coworker.
Like texting each other, did you exercise today?
Exactly. You don't want to disappoint them.
Strategy 3?
Celebrate small wins. Don't wait until the end.
Celebrate before finishing?
Yes. If your goal is to lose 20 pounds, celebrate when you lose 5.
It keeps you motivated for the next 5 pounds.
Exactly. Acknowledge progress.
What's strategy 4?
Anticipate obstacles. Plan for problems before they happen.
Plan for problems?
Ask yourself, what could stop me? Maybe bad weather, no time, feeling tired.
Okay, so?
Then make a plan. If it rains, I'll exercise at home. If I'm tired, I'll do just 10 minutes.
You have a backup plan?
Yes, don't let obstacles surprise you.
Strategy 5?
Remember your why. Why does this goal matter?
Give an example.
Don't just say, I want to lose weight. Say, I want to play with my children without getting tired. That's powerful. When you're struggling, remember your why. It gives you strength. Your deep reason keeps you going. Now, let's talk about something important. What happens when you fail?
You mean when, not if?
Yes, everyone fails sometimes. Everyone has setbacks.
Oh, so failure is normal?
Completely normal. The question is, what do you do next?
What should we do?
Step 1, don't quit. One bad day doesn't ruin everything.
So if I miss one workout,
Just do the next workout. Don't throw away the whole goal.
what's step 2?
Analyze what happened. Why did you fail? Be honest but kind to yourself.
I missed my workout because I stayed up too late watching TV.
Good! You identified the problem. Now you can fix it.
Step 3?
Speak firmly. Adjust your approach. Maybe your goal was too ambitious. Make it smaller.
If exercising 7 days a week is too hard, try 3 days.
Perfect. It's better to do something than nothing.
What if you keep failing again and again?
Maybe the goal isn't right for you right now, and that's okay.
It's okay to change goals?
Absolutely. Life changes, priorities change. Be flexible.
But don't confuse flexibility with quitting.
Exactly. There's a difference between adjusting and giving up.
Adjusting is strategic. Giving up is emotional.
Yes, be smart, be kind to yourself, and keep moving forward. Wow, we covered so much about goal setting today.
This is life-changing information.
We learned why most goals fail, the SMART method, breaking goals into action steps, staying motivated, and handling failure.
Remember, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound.
Your homework this week, choose one goal, just one.
Turn it into a SMART goal.
Write down 3 small action steps you can do this week.
Find one person to share your goal with, your accountability partner.
And remember, small actions every day create big results.
You don't need motivation, you need a system.
Your dreams are possible, but dreams need plans.
And today, you have the plan.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If this episode inspired you, please share it with someone working toward a goal.
And subscribe. Next week, we'll talk about time management.
Perfect follow-up to goal setting.
Until then, take action.
Start today, not tomorrow.
You are capable of achieving amazing things.
Your goals are waiting for you.
Go make it happen.
See you next week, Goal Crushers.
Believe in yourself. Goodbye.